So today is a special day for some newbies. And you got to see this. Check it. Take a look at this. Look what I got in my garage, kid. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Primal Dragsters in here, kid. What? That's braptastic, son. The first guy here to pick up his very own, first time, his name is James, right? Let's see who we got. We also have Stefano coming. You guys met Stefano, but nobody's ever met James yet. Brap brother, what's up, kid? My man just said he's trying to sleep, but he was waiting for this thing. What's up, kid? Bro, you excited, bro? Oh, man, I'm fucking excited.
I'm gonna be nuts.
Yo, so no one met you yet. So soon everybody's gonna.
Hi, guys.
They're gonna meet you, man.
I can't wait to meet you all soon. So.
We got a pretty big group this year, kid. We get big, but oh man, you want to wait for Stefano? You know what? Let's grab yours out. You got first pick. Might as well take the top. Now, what are your plans? Are you gonna do sportsman level, or are you gonna go big bore, or?
We can do that thing that we talked about earlier.
Oh snap! All right,
you know what?
that's a top secret.
You know what? You know what? I'm not wasting no money on some other crap. I'm going to advance anyway. So you know what?
Well, you have a lot of options. All right, so James here, he has a OBR engine laying around, right?
Yes, sir.
You can just slap it in there and start having fun, bro.
Yeah.
Or you can do that other thing.
Yeah.
All right, so.
We'll discuss the other thing, but you know what? I think that's a good way to go. A little R&D and whatever else.
Yeah, man. So, just to let everybody know, we will be bringing up more news about it. But I'm going to tell you right now. First, I'm going to tell you right now. The big Primal event this year is going to be September 13th. So be there. I'm going to have more videos coming up talking about it, all right? We got Mikey Bats doing the banner. Everyone's helping out with this, all right? I will mention everyone's names. It's going to be a great event. So we're going to have people from many other states. So this is a big one. So that we got people coming from other places that are going to be getting hotels. They're going to stay for the weekend that are coming from far. So get your stuff ready. Plan that date now. All right, we got more videos coming up. We got time. Just letting you know now. September 13th. Rain date is going to be the following weekend. So, anyways.
Yeah, that's it.
Today, we got primals, kid. We got some primals. No, these.
That's all night long.
Yo, that's what I did, bro, when I got mine, bro. But let's pop her out, man. Let's pop her out. Stefano's gonna be here soon, so.
Look at this bad boy.
Now look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at all this billet.
Yeah, I'm gonna be up all night.
Zah.
Yeah.
Na café, Zah.
No.
And James, it's happy to see you, kid. Super happy to see you, bro.
I can't wait to shit this man.
Bro, look at the fuel tank, bro. I love the fuel tank.
That's an awesome feature,
badass,
man.
kid.
Yeah.
You can mount your pump. It comes with a pump here.
Yeah. I saw that feature. I thought it was pretty damn awesome.
You also have the Primal rear wing that a lot of people use on their drag Bajas as well. That gives you good downforce, and it's reasonable. It's in here, and you have the front wing as well. Look at this beauty. Yeah, I guess you'll open the rest up at your house, no?
Yeah, whatever. Yeah,
this is a beauty, though. The chassis.
Man.
Everything. Look at that heavy-duty transmission.
The first day I saw these, I'm like, you know what? Gotta happen.
Just to let you know, that whole ass is heavy-duty, man. That transmission setup, right? You can put a King Motor 2-speed in here as well. Then you can get the Primal gears for it, or you can do Baja gears. Yeah. All right, okay. It's just.
So it's pretty much the same setup.
You guys are it's a Baja setup.
The buggy gears, whatever, trannies, whatever.
Correct.
It's pretty much the same thing.
But this one comes with a locker. You could leave it if you want, or you can put a diff in it. Now, where we're racing now this year, the track is really good, so you could possibly get away with a with a locked diff. All right. When the tracks are pretty bad or have issues,
Or whatever else,
you want a diff in there. You want a diff because it'll help you go straighter. With the
I
locked,
swap that out of one of my buggies. I can swap.
yeah,
It's
yeah,
The same thing. Okay, cool.
same diff. All you do,
Just strip down one of my buggies and then I have spare parts, whatever else for training and whatever.
and
else.
this has the quick diff change.
Yeah, I
this
saw that.
the Primal. So all you got to do is just open the back, and it comes out. You don't have to take this whole shit out.
Wow.
But whatever you do, take this back out. Oh shit, we got Stefano in the house, kid.
I'm not fighting shit at everything, right?
Stefano, oh shit. Look who else is here, man. This is a fucking braptastic day, kid. Bro, let's have espressos, man. Yo, park over here. Park in the driveway. Get over here. How are you, buddy?
My brother, bro.
Your brother? I mean, you guys look like brothers. I want to say, yo, is your brother?
I'm trying to get him into it.
Oh, good shit, man. Do it. Yo, park, is there a car over there?
No.
Oh, park right there, across the street.
Good, James.
You want to use the blue Loctite, but yo, a lot of this shit is already Loctite like a mother. You may need a torch to take out. You may need a torch. All right, and you must use good tools, bro. Because if you use so-so tools and it's that locked, it'll strip. Yeah. So you want like MIP shit if you have. If not, you best overheat it. Done. And that's it. So definitely you want to put Team Fast Eddie grease or the BR grease in here. All you need is a one gear because it'll stick to all the other ones. You do not have to take that transmission apart, bro. Let's get your Primal Dragster out, kid.
Now,
right there.
You gotta send me like the part numbers for the tires or whatever else.
Yeah.
A good drag bar. I was gonna have my OBR in there and whatever else I go search for a pipe.
Look at it. Look. It comes with a clutch bell already, dude.
Yeah, I know. Awesome.
All it needs is a fucking engine.
It's going right in there.
And you're ready to go. Now, some people will change the fuel lines. They'll put the fatter ones. That's up to you. It'll work the way it is. It'll run the way it is. But if you want to be changing fuel lines, you go right ahead and do it if you want. But otherwise, just run it.
Just give you a little more capacity, or just
yeah, give it a little bit more capacity. But you will be fine, ready to rip just by throwing an engine there the way it is. All right. Just like I said, take that cover out in the back. Throw some of that tacky shit. All right. It'll stick to everything else. Then it's your choice. It has a locker. You can put a diff in it if not. All right. So it all depends. You just got to get out there and test.
So I'm not gonna run a buggy. So you know what? I'm just.
You get out there and test. You see how it is. If it's getting out of control too much or whatever, you throw a diff.
Which is nice is though if you have the track conditions change, you can just swap that thing.
The track this year is way better. So, I mean, everyone had to use diffs on their primals last year and 2 years ago and 3 years ago. Everyone. Really? You know, yeah. So, but this year, man, a few guys are getting away with locked diffs. So, I just want to let you know that. All right, so. Stefano's here. Stefano, you ready, kid? Man, you got your first Primal. Yo, this year is crazy for you, bro. Damn. Drag Baja already next level, all right, within a couple of weeks. Bro, what you did in a couple of weeks, it takes a couple of years, dude. But, and now he's got a badass Primal Dragster, son. Bro, look at this. You ready? Let's take this thing. You look at this shit. Happy to see you, Stefano. It's real happy to see you right here.
There she is.
Sad. And a little while ago, I was talking to James. You got the famous fuel tank. You can put your...
Yeah, I have one. I'm using one right now.
Oh, awesome. It has the pump. You just hook up there. You know how it goes then if you have one.
Yeah.
And you're all ready to go.
Just got to secure the fuel line. I'm going to change the fuel line.
Yeah. Everything is ready to go with no issues. But if you do change the fuel lines or thicken them up, just do a good job and seal them up good and make sure that the spout in the bottom is on the floor.
Right.
All right. I'm not running a fuel filter on mine. I don't know if you're going to do the same or not. Use a filter if you can. I'm not running a fuel filter. Use a clunk then, yeah. But that's something I got to do. I don't even have a clunk on mine, and I think that's why I had an air leak the other day with my shit. But I think my fuel lines melted with that shit, that other fuel I had, because I had some fuel stuck in there. It just ate it up. And don't forget about this. You got this too here to hook up to your fuel line. And that's why you fill up.
This thing comes beautiful, man. Holy
it's sweet, ain't it? Heavy duty, bro.
They do a good job. They've always done a good job.
The diffs last longer.
The diffs?
The diffs, the gears, the outright cuffs, everything lasts longer. Is 3 times the strength on this setup because everything is solid. You understand? On a Baja, they're going to blow up. They could blow up in a day or two. You know why, right? Because of all this shaking, the vibration, and the flexing. You know. Let's go inside and have an espresso, man. All right, we're gonna put these bad boys in your vehicles. Look at these guys. Look at these. Yo, dude, once you get it out of the box, you're gonna see how unbelievably light this platform is. It's light as hell, bro. All right, people, so stay tuned for the rest of the... You're going to meet the other three. All right, I'll piece this video together. But for now, we're going to go have a little Necafé espressos inside. A little Delta coffee. All right. That's it. Hot, humid night. I gotta feed my fig trees soon. Let's go have this coffee. Yeah, I gotta work on my primal. Let's go downstairs. I'll show you.
It was like worse than Christmas. It was, you know, now it,
Look at this. Stefano, look, come over here. Look at this.
Look at it, it's flowing. There it is.
Zah.
It's flowing.
All right. Next time you come here, these are the 10s. Next time you come here, bro, we're going to try 14s. All right, but we ran out of the 14s.
I tried so hard not to upset him, and in the end, the answer comes in and she's
Pat,
like, what?
these are my brat brothers, Pat. You're taking up my time with my brat brothers. Come on. Let's go. Coffee time, kid. Zah. James, let's go, kid. That one's the hotter one. Look at this group here. Look at this. Brat heads here.
Cheers.
No, are you the firework?
No. That's another guy. Yo, so,
Oh, I thought he was the firework.
James, you ready, kid? We got a little surprise for these guys here. We're gonna see if we're gonna get them a little toasted, a little heated up.
Do you have the right cups downstairs?
Cause it's not hot enough out there, ain't it?
No, not
I can
at all.
sweat hot as hell, but we're gonna get hotter. All right, let's go, kid. So sorry for the mess.
Here?
Oh snap! Well, you know what? When I come back down, because I want to run sportsman class as well. There's a couple of you guys that don't know what sportsman class means. Sportsman class means 34cc engine and under. All right. So if you put a big bore, or if you put a twin engine, you're in the extreme class / outlaw class. All right. So. All right. Is the James?
Yes, sir.
Did my boss go upstairs? She's up there, right? All right. So when I go back to pick up my Primal Dragster, I'm getting another one. I'll bring yours down too. Ah, shit. So, oh man, there's so much shit going on here, dude. So, fuck, I have to clean everything up. All right, so I have another engine there that I stopped on a box, and this engine here is for a buddy of mine from Kuwait. Yeah. We're gonna open that sucker up one of these days. This is a stock 45 Rovin piston port, which soon the real happy to see you 45s will be out. Happy to see you, Brovin's coming out, kid. And this guy was over here sleeping. And now, what are we gonna do, bro? We're gonna There you go, kid. We're gonna have a little sip, a little toast, a little congratulations to you guys here, kid.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you, bro.
Now check it out. Who's got good strong hands?
They're little, but they're strong.
They're strong.
Okay. Grab this guy here. We're gonna have a little Mavum, son. A little Mavum. You ready? Hold it.
Go ahead.
Let's see. The louder the pop, the better the luck. Right?
Go ahead.
What? Son? What? We got a little poop. Hells yeah, kid. Zah. I love this shit because it makes the glass cry.
Yeah, oh yeah, it does.
She's smooth, so. You smell it? Don't sip it yet. Let it marinate a little bit.
Let it open up a little bit. It's a...
We're gonna have to show this to our group. That keeps blowing up my phone.
My phone is on fire.
Dude. Thank God
How many times you charge it today?
Kiki put that shit on mute, dude. Because I was ready to fucking throw this thing. You don't understand, bro. I have thousands of emails And then on top of that, damn it. Shit, does mine have more? Don't worry, we have more for you guys. Just look at this shit. Look at that. Look at the tears in
That's
that.
hawk right there. Yep. That's hawk.
You guys ready for this, kid?
Do it.
How much hair you got in your chest?
Is that?
You got hair in your
Oh,
chest?
trust me. I drink that butter every night and wake up.
Zah! All right, bro. To a salute to a braptastic season.
That's right.
All right? We're making the best out of it. All right? Zah. See.
Delicious.
Smooth, right? Smooth, kid. And some nice flavors, some nice tones. And then the heat. Here comes the heat. You feel the heat? And then you got it, right? See? It's crazy, right? It's
It's delicious.
That's some Seneca Faz ass shit. I'm telling you, a little while.
I got down like my habanero tequila, man. I love that. It's fantastic. Everybody goes, oh, what the hell, man? It's hot. I mean, it's got some bite, but it's delicious.
Yeah.
And I'm not a tequila guy. I can't keep that shit going.
Ha.
I'm a bourbon guy as well, so
After-
it's whiskey bourbon.
If you have some more of this, I guarantee you'll be saying "zah" soon. All right, people. Till next video, I'm gonna probably blend it all together. I'm gonna show a few secrets. Yes, I'm a big fan of Paulie.
You know Paulie?
Yeah. Oh yeah, no shit. Yo, tell him, bring him. I gotta meet him, dude. Alan works with him. Works for him. That, from the body shop. Alan, he races with us.
Oh, yeah?
All right, guys. So stay tuned till next video. We're gonna just chill here, have a couple of sips,
Salute.
and that's it. So I'll probably blend in the other videos together. All right, one thing I want to point out, I'd like to highly recommend is get yourself a Primal RC Dragster complete nut washer and screw kit. All right, comes in a bag like this. Lay them all out. Get yourself a little bin like this, and organize them. All right, I got hardware here from my last bag, and this is actually my second bag. All right, very good thing, good idea to have. All right, it's awesome. You go to your book, your manual. It'll show every bolt, nut, grub screw, washer, where they go. I kid you not. All right, it's really good. Here's the manual. It's amazing. All right. Look at this. It shows everything. All right, look. Has the numbers of the bolts. All right. You get the screws here. Look up here. All right, so you can completely rebuild it if you have to. All right, just like I had to do the front end. All right, look at that. See that?